How to use Uber for business account. So let's open our Uber first, and then from here what you're going to do is tap on account right here. So you can see currently this is my personal account. If you want to switch up to your business, you can tap on option set up your business profile, then tap on get started. If you do have your PIN code, tap on I have PIN code. Then you can write in your PIN code and get your business profile. So for now I have selected the manually writing down your email address, then tap on next, and after doing that you'll need to choose your payment method. So you can tap on add payment method and choose gift card or something that you want. For now I'm going to go with cash, and in here if you want to expense your program you can select on any of that platform, or else you can select skip and skip that part. So after doing that, here you can see your business profile has successfully been active. So if you want to request for a business trip, you can tap on that and learn further more, or else here you can see this is your exact business profile. Now you can take any of the rides that you want, and that's it.